Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a set of files corrupted error in Repack games. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and just minimize this page and double click on the game folder and you can able to see setup file. Just double click on it and select yes. I got this error, the setup file or corrupted. Please obtain a new copy of the program. Just need to open the Windows Security and select the protection history. If you can't find the protection history for the Windows 10 users, go to virus and threat protection and select the protection history in here. And as you can see, thread quarantined. There are two things today I got. Click on it and select yes. As you can see, the game related file is in here. Select the action and select the restore option and select yes. And do the same thing for remediation incomplete. Click on it and I restored the file, guys. Same thing, you just need to click on under here. If any files are there, you just need to restore it, guys. And then go back to virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Just to minimize this page. And now we just need to go to search menu and type torrent. Comes up your torrent, click on open it. You just need to right click on the game and select a copy magnet URL. And then right click on the game and select remove option. Select yes and minimize this and go back to the game folder and right click on the game and select a rename and change this name one. And after renaming it, go back to torrent, select the file and select add torrent from URL and paste the URL we copied and select OK option. You just need to wait for this to loads up. After the load done, you just need to uncheck every option except the setup.exe. Then select OK option. And now we just need to wait for this download to get done. And after the download done, just need to minimize this and here is the folder we downloaded. Just double click on the folder, copy this setup and go back and double click on the game folder and paste the setup, guys. Select the replace the file in the destination and now open the setup and select yes and select your language and select OK and the setup opens up without having any problem, guys. After the game installation done, you just need to go back to Windows Security we minimized before and then scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder. Navigate to the game folder where you saved the, guys. I saved in C drive. As you can see, here is the game folder. After selecting the folder, select folder option and now the game folder has been added to this list, guys. Now go back, turn on the antivirus and now you can play the game without having any problem. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.